Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we are going to be making this very adorable card using the Flowering Fields Designer Series paper from the mini catalog. It's so cute. I love this. The focal point of the card is obviously the paper. And look at those brush brass butterflies. Gosh, I love this card. So to make this card, what you're going to need is some Pool Party cardstock. Like I mentioned, the Flowering Fields Designer Series paper, some basic white cardstock for us to die cut out using the Stitch So Sweetly dies. I specifically use the 4th to the largest or 3rd to the smallest one, whatever way you want to go. So I have that. We're also going to need some dimensionals. For our embellishments, we're using the brushed brass butterflies. The window pane check ribbon, and it's an evening evergreen. Here's a little bit more of a close-up of what that looks like. And then some memento ink along with the flowering tulip stamp set. And we're going to use whatever sentiment you want. For this card, we use the Just Thinking of You Today sentiment. So let's get started making this card. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere the Designer Series paper to the front of the card using some liquid glue. Okay, so we have that on the front of the card. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take that die cut piece from the Stitch So Sweetly dies. We are going to take our ink in our stamp set. So we're using the Just Thinking of You stamp and the Memento Tuxedo Black ink. We're going to ink that up and then stamp on the right hand side. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our ribbon, we're going to flip our sentiment over, put some adhesive on the back side of the sentiment, and I'm going to use our Stampin' Seal. Then we are going to take our ribbon, lay it over, put it on the adhesive, take some scissors, cut the other end, and then flip that side over as well. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to tie a bow and then adhere it to the rest of the ribbon using a glue dot. We're then going to take our sentiment and adhere it to the front of the card using dimensionals. And then for our last step, we're going to take the brushed brass butterflies and adhere them to the front of the card. And there you go. There is the final version of this card. I really hoped you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. If you want to make more cards like this, make sure that you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to that in the description of this video. When you sign up, you get 5 free tutorials, and you'll get more updates on how you can make cards like this. Thanks everyone. Bye.